Hey there, it's Tym Moss again. This is our second winter storm so far in January. It's like the 21st, I think, or something. But now this is a storm. It's been snowing like this all day, and it's going to be snowing until about midnight tonight. And as you can see, there's just like snow everywhere. Even though people are still out moving about, as you can see behind me. But anyway, I came out to do my usual Blizzard Dance. I always do a Blizzard Dance. So here's Blizzard Dance, January 21st, 2014. All right.
Epa! Rompelo, baby!
Oh yeah. So that is Blizzard Dance, January 21st, 2014. I'm getting back inside because it's freezing out here. Bye.